Oh yeah, I definitely wanna try on some clothes today. Maybe not some clothes, maybe just some jeans. You guys have been asking about the jeans for a while, so I'm gonna finally do it for you, finally. Today, I am wearing my handy dandy Spanx that my mother bought me, cause she knows. It doesn't really hide as much as I would like for it to, but since it is Belly Welly Wednesday, I am not gonna hide her today. Floop. There you go. You happy? I mean, what's the point of wearing Spanx if it's gonna hide the beautiful, beautiful belly welly? What's the point? I think that is the point, unfortunately. They make items to hide all this beauty. But it does make me look great in clothes, so I'm not gonna complain. Alright. What are we gonna do? Alright, let's get some jeans and try them on. Look at that belly. She's so sexy. If you love that belly. Okay, it's almost time for champagne. I'm ready. I'm gonna start with these. These used to be my favorite pants. I don't remember where I bought them, but they are a size 13. Let's see if we can fit these bad boys. Bad. Boys won't even unzip. Oh shit, it is unzipped. What? These pants don't zip? How were these ever my favorite? This is as much zipper as I get. That's ridiculous. How were these ever my favorite? Alright, come on. Oh no. I'm about to embarrass myself very much. Yes, I am. Ugh. Let's see. Nah, I ain't even tripping. I knew I wasn't gonna be able to wear these. Alright, come on. I'm really trying. This is like really an effort. I don't yank. I don't get into pants that I know I can't wear. I like pants that fit. Like a glove, but not like this. I mean, where am I gonna go? Hello, I'm just over here with my crack all out because I wouldn't wear these with pants. And this is how these pants fit, and they are no longer my favorite for obvious reasons. All right, let's get out of this mess. All right. One down. Ouch, I just cut my belly with the mirror. Oh, she cut me. She cut me. Well, she didn't cut me, she just scratched me. Alright, where am I gonna set you up at? We'll put you right here. Okay. Alright. Looks like these pants are men's that I got from Ross. I already tried these on in my Ross try-on video. They were $24.99. I got them for $1.99. Never wore them, probably because they don't fit. They are a size 38. I did see that earlier somewhere. I don't remember where. Oh, 38. 38, 32. Let's see. Oh, come on. All right. All right. Oh my God. All right. It's so annoying, you guys. I'm not even gonna try anymore. This is where I am with these pants. This is where I am with these pants. This is as high as they'll go. All right, next. Oh, these used to be my pants too. I used to work at Chico's. I wore these pants all the time. These were my babies. Boom. My babies. Boom. These were my babies. Boom. All right, come on. Let's try them on. Let's see what we can make happen with these jeans. 0.5 Chico's is like a size 10 or around there. Platinum jeans. Oh, these were my favorite. Woo! Not the same size I was when I worked at Chico's. That's for sure. All right. And this is how high we can get. Boop, 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 boop. Squeeze the glutes. It's not gonna happen, you guys. But, well, I got it up a little higher. All right. I look so cool and gangster, don't I? Okay. You guys got me out of shape. I mean, you don't have me out of shape. I have myself out of shape. You guys got me out of breath. I'm out of breath. I'm out of breath. I'm out of breath. I'm out of breath. Okay, let's get out of these. I'm gonna wear these again someday soon. I like these jeans. Next. Do you see the discouragement on my face? This is what you're doing to me! Calm down. It's okay. Okay. Here we go. These are a size 14. I got these from Ross. These are so cute. No, these aren't Ross. These are, what are these? I don't know. But they're so cute. Did I get these from Hot Topic? I really don't remember. These are so cute. Now I might can get in these. I love these. Let's see. Size 14? I can wear these. Yeah, I can fit these. These are so cute. Well, I had to wear a big old shirt because that is definitely hanging over. Definitely hanging over. Get it. Hey. Get it. Hey. Get it. Hey. Get it. Hey. Okay. I'm done with these right now. Maybe about 10 pounds and these will fit more comfortably. It's not bad. But like this, that ain't cute, y'all. I'm sorry. I don't like that on me. I want my stomach to be on flat, like that. Come and be on flat later. Okay. Let's get out of these. Alright. Next. These are the pants that Crystal loves the most on me. She even started getting them dry cleaned for me, and they put a crease in there so hard I had to like to get it out. I don't like that on me. All right, let's see. Right foot out. Nope. These are so... Either way, you gotta slide. Hey. Michael Jackson. Yeah. Get it. Don't you wanna dance with me? Huh. I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you satisfaction. And you know we are here every day. Come on. Get it. Okay, I'm done. These are not about to go up. I love listening to music, obviously. Who's bad? Not me. I'm tired though. Come on. Alright. Yeah, get it. Ayy. I got the pants up over my hips. I got the pants up over my hips. I got the pants up over my hips. Can I button up? I don't know. I'm sorry, you guys. Oh my god. Okay, I'm over exaggerating just a little bit. All right, come on. Get it. I'm sorry. I really like music. I'm not even gonna try anymore. It's so hard. If I wanna get in these pants, oh, look at that. You like that? Little thigh rubbing together action, making holes in your jeans. All right, come on. You guys, come on. All right. I'm listening to Spotify's curated today's hit set list. I love this set list. I mean, it's not a set list. What is it? Playlist. Now these are my babies. The final pair of jeans. Come dance with me. I can't dance like Michael Jackson. I can't give you thug passion. It's a thriller. Ay. Okay, I know I can't dance, you guys, but I like to move, okay? All right, come on. Let's do this. All right, last pair. Get it. Okay, let me focus. All right, see, these still fit real good. I like these pants a lot. Do you like these pants? Or not? All right, these are my pants that I can still fit, and I don't wear them with these, but this is what I got. Boom, ba-doom. Boom, ba-doom. All right, I'm done. That's it. Damn, Khaled. All right, I'm that auntie mother, grandma that does this when she hears songs. Yeah. Get it. Woo! Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Get it, girl. Hey. Get it, girl. Hey. That's me, okay? I'm a great hype woman. Don't you forget it. In my jeans that fit. All right, I'm out.